Greetings from a rustic hideaway where warmth and simplicity meet you at the entrance. A beautiful seat for the foyer stands boldly, providing the ideal balance of design and use. Made from worn wood, its organic texture recalls tales of bygone eras, with every grain serving as a reminder of its modest origins. This seat eases the transition from the outside world to the comforts of home by inviting you to slow down for a moment in addition to merely sitting down. There is no denying the rustic appeal. The classic finish and weathered edges combine to create a warm but distinctive atmosphere. The seat has a subtle elegance when positioned beneath gentle lighting, which is accentuated by the wood's organic tones. A few of handmade baskets tucked in beneath. The warmth of the cloth beneath you when you take a seat gives you a feeling of comfort and familiarity. This foyer bench adds depth and comfort to your house, making every entrance and exit feel a little bit more memorable. Use it as a spot to tie up your boots or just to sit and think. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and keep watching for more home decor ideas.